that's actually moving faster than these two over here, obviously. However, for me, this is much, much, much safer. Now, there's a rule here with delivery bikes, commercial delivery motorcycles, that can't be in this lane or the next lane. They have to be in those 3 lanes over there. Now, that is not because the delivery motorcycles are necessarily dangerous. No. It's because the car drivers are so incompetent that they keep knocking riders off their motorcycles. When was the last time you heard of a motorcycle killing like a family of 4 in a vehicle? It's never happened. Motorcycles aren't dangerous to others. Motorcycles, they're basically dangerous to ourselves. It's generally not the fault of a motorcycle of any accidents. It's these guys on their phones, not looking for motorcycles, just looking for everything else. He never seen me coming.